What are the applications of alternating current circuits? Basically, we consider one of the best applications of this in the form of a transformer. Whenever we consider a transformer, it works only on AC first. That's a very, very important aspect to be remembered. Transformer does not work on DC. It works only on alternating current circuits, that is only on AC. And what is the use of this transformer? In fact, we all can understand straight away. Transformers are mainly used in two ways. Either to step up the electric current, the voltage, or to step down the voltage of electric current. What exactly is stepping up or stepping down? That if you take up, there are two types of transformers. One, of course, we call it as a step up transformer, and one we consider it as step down transformer. The basic principles of that one and important features of that, let us discuss now. Transformer. One is step up transformer, I said. One is step down transformer, I said. What makes the difference between these two? In the case of step up transformer, output voltage will be greater than the input voltage. Whatever the input we are giving, more than that value we can extract from the system. That means voltage is going to be stepped up to few times the original value. Whereas a step down transformer is quite opposite. Whatever input we give, less than that input we people is to get directly in the output. That means the voltage value is going to be reduced so many times than the initial value or given value. This is what is called as a step down transformer. Generally, when we take the basic concept here, transformer of course will be having a soft iron core like this, and there will be a primary coil. There will now be a secondary coil over here. This is what we call it as primary coil, and this one we take it as secondary coil. When we consider primary coil, the number of turns in primary coil, I can write it as N primary. The number of turns present in the secondary coil, I take that one as N secondary. Exactly in the same manner, the input value of voltage, what we are giving here, I call it as E primary. Similarly, E secondary we used to take it. Likewise, the current in the primary coil, I consider that one as I primary, and current across the secondary coil, I take that one as I secondary. Now, usually whenever we consider a transformer, we always prefer to take that transformer to be the ideal most. Ideal transformer we call it. In reality, ideology is only on paper. No transformer that can give 100% efficiency, we know even that point also. But while taking the calculations part of it, we always refer to a transformer as an ideal one.